it comes to beauty hacks, why do we always talk about the ladies? Why we always leave out the man them? Well, doing complain enough. And of course, this morning we're going to do some beauty hacks for men.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Finally.
All right. Since you need all of this so much, let me tell you, grooming hacks for men. The first one, drop the soap.
I not agree with that. Why should I say put the soap in
Drop
the bag?
the soap in the bag.
No.
In the gym
No,
bag. Drop the soap. It's not me, Sasana.
Don't drop the soap anywhere.
The producer is not me.
Kia, don't drop. We're not dropping the soap anywhere.
Drop the
in
soap.
In a bag, no, we're not dropping the soap.
All it means is that since y'all go to the gym,
yeah,
that's funny.
I'm right. Why you don't drop the soap?
I won't drop the soap.
In the bag.
I have soap in my bag. It means that since your gym bag always smells kind of funky because and I put it in my drawer too. And it retains smell, the gym bag. All it's saying is that if you want a way to just keep it fresh overall, just drop a bar of soap in there, not in a box, just drop the soap in the bag.
Or you can clean your bag.
Yeah, you do that every now and then, but you don't wash your bag every time you go to the gym.
No, just take out the dirty stuff and then air it out.
Yeah, it still has a smell.
You ever think of Febreze? You take it and you spray it in the bag. Take out the thing and spray it.
You're not dropping no soap. All right, fine. You're not dropping no soap.
The next thing is go rogue with a nail clip and tweezers.
Yeah, you know those guys who have extra hair out them nose, like Dwayne was just on my IG page,
I don't have that.
Showing people hair up in his nose.
This says go rogue with nail clip and tweezers. I don't need to do that, you know why? What? Totally Male Spa.
Ah, big up Totally Male, yes.
They take care of me.
They take care of him. But if you don't go to Totally Male or you can't afford a spa like Dwayne because he's kind of, bougie, you need to go and get yourself sorted out. Get nail clips, get tweezers, have that on hand. Don't cut yourself. Them have the little tiny scissors. You can, nip the hairs here, nip the hairs
little thing called where you put on the fingernail and clean out there. Little stick.
Oh, the orange stick.
Ah, yeah, man, that's okay. And then the file.
You see what I meant about him? He's metro and bougie wrapped into one.
I tell you, when a girl hold my hand in the shop, you see.
Yeah, and Sophie doing
No, she don't say it's soft. She say your fingernails look nice.
Oh, you nail them nice and doing it?
My hand is soft, we do hard work. Cut grass and then things.
The next one is facelift. No, it's not an actual facelift. I know what you're thinking. I'm not talking go under the knife or anything like that. They're just saying that if, you got out late, like some people I know who's always out late on a Friday night or busy, and you don't get enough rest and your eyes have bags or anything like that, get an ice pack and just put it on your face for 10 minutes and it literally will just kind of like freeze everything up, and even though you might not feel better, your face will definitely look better. You know my uncle who's down in Prattville, Manchester, just splash some water on his face and ready to go. This is that, but turned up. Yeah, get some ice. Put ice on your face, that's too much for me. Like I think. See, you see why we don't do grooming hacks for males? No, we do. We need grooming. We need ideas for grooming, but you're not gonna listen because I think say, oh, the water better or oh, this better. Put ice on your face for 10 minutes. I'm on that rough man. Work with it, man. The next thing is condition your shave. So don't you just hate when you run out of shaving cream? I don't use shaving cream. Totally male. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I say totally male. Thank you very much. If you don't have no shaving cream, just use some conditioner. Oh yeah, it's soft. Yeah. Soft up your skin. Soft up your skin and the razors and hair conditioner. How do you manage to keep your face from getting a lot of razor bumps, especially when you have to shave every day like some people who grow hair a lot? How do I manage it? Yeah. Totally. All right. I'm kidding. Sometimes I do it manually. I use a tweezer and I take it out. Or I have someone take it out. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Don't let it burn. Osha said must let it burn, but don't let it burn. If you want to prevent those awful razor burns, it is recommended that you put on the shaving cream or conditioner, let it soak for 5 minutes or so before beginning shaving. The proof is in the results, so don't knock it till you try it. I'll probably try that one day. Yeah? On my own, try shaving. Tell us how it goes. You'll see how it goes. You'll see how I'm coming the next day. Vodka to your toxic. Want to get rid of body odor? Please don't get rid of the body odor. The biggest turn off to a woman is if it smells bad. Try this. Combine vodka and water, 1-to-1 parts, in a bottle and spray away. You'll be surprised by the fresh outcome. I'm not sure I want to smell a man who smells like vodka. Alcohol. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. But you have to try it before you knock it. I mean, I try though, because the smell of alcohol kind of get me sick. Oh yeah? Yeah, I get nauseous. I don't work with that. And to remove facial grease, alcohol it is. Try your hand at alcohol to get rid of the dirt that you can't see with your naked eye. How about I give you a different one? How about you don't try the alcohol and you try apple cider vinegar? Water down a little bit.
Yeah, but the man them can't afford a QR rum and just walk with it.
Just wipe off your face.
Flask, they more cute, a flask. You don't know about drinking? That's about cute.
Care for your razors.
The most common place guys store razors face down in the shower. It also happens to be the worst possible place. Moisture will make your blade dull and harbor bacteria that could affect your face the next time you shave. Which is true. You don't want that. You don't want those ugly razor burns and bumps.
Not cute.
So when you rub down your face, you know,
Chef is a lot. Your face smoothie.
Smooth. Not smooth. Your face smoothie. Yeah, man. I like when, you know. Kiss better with help from your toothbrush. Before a date, most guys focus on...
This every guy, but doing just have to fix it as a
most guys focus on brushing their teeth and scrubbing their tongue in anticipation for a late night hookup. Well, I don't anticipate nothing.
It says, but if she doesn't want to use her tongue just yet, what's left? Your lips.
What is one?
So you have to take care of your lips. It says if you have minty breath and your lip them feel like sandpaper, it's not gonna work. Yeah. So you have to use the toothbrush and kind of chuku on the lips, and it will soften them up. Another way is if you have some sugar, you can use a sugar scrub. That's what the ladies do. Yeah. Scrub your lips with a little bit of sugar. It also leaves your lips kind of sweet.
I walk with a lip balm.
So, and then you put on the lip balm.
I walk with a lip balm. So, guys, important. Girls like soft lips.
Yeah, we do.
And we like soft lips
fresh
too.
breath.
Yeah.
So work with it now.
Yeah.
That's it. You get enough, and you're not going to do half of them. So I don't know what's you beg for.
You know all I need? It is.
Oh, ew, ew, ew! Your face is gonna smell like saliva.
No, sir.
That's so gross.
Fresh. My saliva is fresh.
We're gonna go for a break. That was so gross. We'll still come back.
Bathe and